Hey everyone, this is Zachary Comeau, Executive Editor of CE Pro. Today I'm joined by Mike Grubb, the VP of Global Sales at SoundVision Technologies. Mike, thanks for joining us.
Oh, thanks for having me.
All right, yeah. So Mike, why don't you take a moment and tell us about SoundVision Technologies and what you guys have planned for CEDIA.
Sure. So SoundVision Technologies is the parent company of TruAudio and VSSL, and the company has been around since 1999, and we're a company installers for installers. So founded by installers to be able to provide great solutions for the installing community that are innovative, time-saving, and a quality product that lasts a long time. Our space at CEDIA is going to be a terrific space to be able to come by and see all of the innovative things that we're working on, as well as the high energy that our team brings to the fun of CEDIA as well.
Excellent, great. So let's talk about the Vessel MX series. Now, can you just tell us a little bit about that product and why it's an important milestone for you guys?
Yeah, absolutely. So the Vessel MX product is actually a new launch, and it's a new launch of product that is working off of generations of some of the older Vessel products and some of the products that have not been updated in the past 4 years from its original launch. So this is a innovative approach to building on the platform that we built, but also being, I think, forward thinking in what we do and how we do it, and delivering to the market to the needs of the integrators, solving the problems that they may be experiencing already with some of the other brands that are out there. And that's what we're about, is making things easier for the integrators to utilize, and solving the problems that they need to be able to achieve for a great installation. So the MX product that we're launching is our two different products. We're releasing first a streamer. So it's a standalone streamer that delivers excellent performance with a innovative chipset that we're using in the platform to allow for a lot more capability than we've ever had before, as well as features like PoE, as well as powered by USB-C. So you have a functional difference between powering just on that level. Things like HDMI eARC to be able to support our integrators with those needs of being able to supply TV sound and tie into that those TVs, as well as a new chipset that allows for long distance communication. So Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth LE audio allow for a better communication and a better standard of connection as well.
Mike, in the MX series, we have the MS1 and the MA1. What are some highlights of these products, and how are they different from previous generations?
Sure. So the MS one is actually a brand new introduction. So it's a new piece that's being added. It's working off of the platform of the previous, not platform, it's working off of the, I guess, understanding that we can come to market with a cost competitive piece, more affordable than the competition, as well as it fits the needs of integrators needing to be able to separate out the functions that we already deliver in the A1X, but now in a new platform, as well as form factor. So it fits in still a one-use space, and has a great performance to be able to support our integrators. The MA1 is a replacement of the A1X, and what that does is it delivers, close to 3 times, or at least 3 times the power. The A1X is 35 watts a channel. The MA1 is actually 140 watts per channel. So significant power increase for our integrators, but also providing them some of the same things that we talked about in the MS one, with the HDMI eARC, with the Bluetooth LE audio, Wi-Fi 6 capability in that piece as well. And then future adaptations that can already be built into it. Along with that, some of the things that we'll talk about, I think, really help position this as a a problem solver and a solution piece for the integrators.
Excellent. Yeah, and now let's talk about installer benefits. How do apps improve setup, management, and remote servicing for integrators?
Sure. I think some of the integrators that are watching this out there right now may be aware of some of our older product with the A1X, A3X, A6X, and over the past year we've made significant progress in new app releases to be able to uh, get that setup time a lot quicker. Be able to address open areas that we wanted to be able to look at, even things like drivers. So with the new series, we're going to go to a new firmware update as well. Along with the new firmware update, we're looking at apps that we've developed that actually separate out the experience for our integrators and for the end users. So the old app was just the vessel app itself. And now we're going to separate apps to be able to have that experiential as well as serviceability. So
Mm,
we've got the Connect app. That is the replacement for the standard vessel app. That Connect app is what's going to build a platform for a lot more features and benefits to come in the future. But initially, it's going to be the Connect app that allow you to enter into the experience, do the setup, as well as be able to control within the app some of the features and benefits that you'll be able to as well. We're introducing later as well a new app called Insight. And Insight will give that integrator the ability to provide remote serviceability to the customer and for that application for the vessel in the installation. So that Insight app will provide everything that you can see, whether you're on site, away from the job site. So whether you're at your office, you're at a different job site, you can log in and you can see the current status as well as do different settings such as a reset, such as change EQs, a lot of different things that you wouldn't normally be able to do whether you're offsite. So that
mm.
gives the integrator that remote capability without having to roll a truck to adjust, reset, or do different things that would be needed on site.
Excellent. Let's talk about something else that integrators at CEDIA are gonna really care a lot about, and that's integration with automation platforms like Control4, Josh, Crestron, etc. Yeah. So how does MX Series integrate with those platforms?
Terrific. Yeah, absolutely. So, we've put, again, a lot of resource and a lot of investment into developing not only the products themselves, but also where we can be that value to our integrator channel. So, looking at launching with Control4 integration with those drivers, looking at RTI, URC, Elan, Crestron Home and Simple, even later on down the line, that just a tight integration and capability of working with Josh AI. So we've got a great relationship there and working through a lot of that functionality. So driver capability has been a big request that we've answered to those requests and put that time and effort into those developments.
Excellent. Yeah. How much better is that MX Series compared to earlier Vessel products?
Leaps and bounds. With the new chipsets, as technology advances, we had a product basically that was 4 years old with the A1, A3, A6, and now looking at some of the new features that we wanted to accomplish, we needed to look at new chipsets. So the new chipsets allow for not only the current standard of platform that we're moving to, but also preparing us for the future for things that will be coming down the line that we can add on to for that functionality.
Mm.
So huge advancements in not only the product, the power, as I mentioned in the MA, the PoE in the MS, and being able to really provide a valuable product to our integrator channel.
Yeah. So does the MX product line go from here? What can we see from you guys in the next handful of years?
Well, these two products alone, they really do set a standard that we need to look at for providing those solutions for the integrators, but also looking at where we can start introducing new product based on this new platform as well down the line. So it really sets us up for success for looking at what that brings. And we would love to hear from our integrator channel just some of those things that they feel that they need that we should deliver on as well. But we've got some thoughts in our minds of where this brings us, and we'd love to hear what is needed from our integrator channel. So we're delivering on the solutions that make a difference in the channel.
So exciting as these vessel products may be, let's pivot to TruAudio. What new stuff are you guys going to be bringing to Denver?
Gosh, we've got a lot of great things that we're bringing to Denver, but I think some of our focus areas are some of the new products that our dealers definitely want to come by and see here and put their hands on. So a few different things are the Tempest Tower. The
Mm,
Tempest Tower is an outdoor product that's a high performance, high SPL, great performing product. That is weatherproof, obviously, because it's an outdoor product, but it brings a thought and a design that we've been spending quite a bit of time on. That thought and design is a starts with, I guess, the curved array of 16 tweeters, four mid-range woofers, and then a bandpass sub in the base of the unit itself, all in a weather-resistant outdoor product that is got a terrific look. So whether you're walking around the outdoor space or you're sitting down, relaxing, the listening area is going to be at a perfect
mm.
point with this curved array of product and the high SPL, but all designed also to be powered off of a two-channel amp. So we've been testing the product and delivering the some of the specs that we have even just on a two-channel amp like our existing T100, and then even one of the newer amps that we're going to be introducing at CEDIA as well. Another great new product is the Brown Note. The Brown Note, some of our dealers may have seen before last year as a prototype, but this year we'll have production samples on the show floor of the Brown Note 15 and the Brown Note 12. So these are a 15-inch woofer design with a inverse or reverse motor on both of these pieces. But what's interesting is we've been able to design this product, if the dealers haven't seen this, of a 15-inch woofer being designed for a 12-inch space, for the normal 12-inch woofer space, and then also the 12-inch being the Brown Note 12-inch being designed for a 10-inch space as well. So what we get is a very impactful sound out of a small footprint out of both of these. So a great performing piece that will draw attention, as well as the dealers can listen to and put their hands on and see some of those new products as well. One new product that we're going to be showing our prototype of is something that has been requested quite a bit, and we're working as fast as that we can, but also being very considerate about delivering a product again that fits the dealer's needs, addresses the current issues of those types of products out there in the market, and delivering that performance along with reliability. So that new product, we're calling it the micro port speaker, and that micro port is again, it addresses a lot of issues that the current dealers wanted to be able to say, if you could only do this. And so we've taken a lot of that into consideration, and they'll be able to see that active in Denver as well.
Excellent. Mike, thanks for stopping in. A lot of exciting stuff you guys have going on in the booth. So booth number again, so folks.
Booth 3216.
Excellent.
We're, I guess, if you look from the entry doors, we're somewhat to the right and towards the middle. We've got a great spot around some other great booths as well, and other manufacturers that are really doing a great job with their product. But definitely come by and see us. I appreciate you inviting us to talk today.
Of course. All right, I'll see you in Denver next week. Coming up
Absolutely.
fast.
Absolutely.
All
All
right, take
right.
it easy.
Take care.